Hey, young nigga world, young underways. This a young nigga world.
Young Shy, you killed this track.
Back in my dreams, chillin' with your babe, throwing the egg. Back in my dreams, it's never ever what it seems. Jumping to the space, yeah, that's a scary cat. Pull up to the light, killers dressing all black. Jumping out of sky, compound with a Mac. What happens when I die in my dreams? Back in the days, holding Glocks in occasional. I know you can see it in my eyes that I wasn't gonna make it. Older brothers lucky, yeah, you taught me all the basics. Don't make it big on my waist, get that earthquake. I know, ain't no other way. Music my only chance. This my only way, gotta make these bands. I know how fast they can come take my life. Gotta watch my left and right. Ooh, they gon' love you and hate you same night. Ooh, don't got time to argue and fight. Back in my dreams, chillin' with your head, throwing the egg. Back in my dreams, it's never ever what it seems. Jumping to his face, yeah, that's a scary cat. Pull up to the light, killers dressing all black. Jumping out of sky, compound with a Mac. What happens when I die in my dreams? Little buddy bumping in the knee, wiki with the Glock. Making no music, rolling heavy metal. Yo, block, jigging 12, wanna know
I need to break that rhyme.
Get first words, hot, dodging death and cops. Melvin, my big brother's song, icy. Do it for the money, that's my wifey. And I ain't
I'm
gonna say
okay, man.
nothing. Grew up in the deep, you was grinding and hustling. You
Look at that
know
clean
me.
fire.
Back in them days, we was in the trap
Like my
house,
fish.
trying to figure
Oh my god.
I know how far to go. I know to take it slow.